Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So this is going to be a quick video. So whoever is facing issues to get chat option for LinkedIn support in order to get your refund or for any issue, so what you need to do? So I'm telling you an alternate option. Okay, you just need to go to your LinkedIn app and then you can go to your messages on LinkedIn, and you can also do it through your LinkedIn on website or maybe through your laptop also. Go to your LinkedIn messages, then just write go to search messages, write LinkedIn there. First you can see this LinkedIn. Okay, then you can write, hey LinkedIn, hey team, I need your help to get my refund. Okay, though I don't have any subscription where I have paid some amount, it's all free. So you can see right now I am on premium account, so it's like for sales navigator. I have got it for free yesterday, that is on today it's 14th. I got it on 13th of May 2025. I got it for free for first, like for 1 month. So their team will be responding with, they can take few minutes, they can also take some hours also. So you can see this here. So when I tried this, like this chat, you can see this here also. I had no subscription, I was just making a video for you guys. You can see they used to reply, sometimes they used to reply fast also. You can see at night time 12:13 a.m. I messaged them and instantly they replied. You can see it here, I'm looking to get a refund, and they replied. Okay, so you can get in touch with them through this way also. Okay, it's not like you just need to look for chat option every time. So that chat option will also like this option will also be working just like chat option on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can try this option also. Whoever is facing issue to get the chat option in their website, just go for this option. Go to your LinkedIn, look for messages option, then write LinkedIn in the search bar, and then go for this. Okay, and if you again you are facing problem to get this option in your messages, then just write go to your LinkedIn, say this home you can see, then write LinkedIn here. Okay, click on LinkedIn, open LinkedIn, and here just go for message. Okay, this is an alternate way. Again you will come in the same window. Okay, then these are other two options that can help you to get into LinkedIn chat window. And yeah, once you'll just share all your issue related to maybe LinkedIn premium features, if you want to understand, or if you want to get your refund, then just type it down, everything related to refund issue, or you can just share all your issues there. They'll refund your amount within a few minutes itself if you are able to share all your details, account details, mail ID as soon as possible. Then they'll refund your amount within 5 to 10 minutes also, within a few minutes also. Okay, so yeah, just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. And yes, LinkedIn verification topic is pending, and I am going to cover it very soon. Within a week I will be posting multiple videos related to it, because there are a lot of issues that you guys are facing. And yes, I will be doing it, and that's why I am not at all verifying my account, because I need to record that video and I need to post it. And once like while posting the video, I will be doing it for myself also, because once I will do it for myself, I won't be able to make you understand these steps clearly. So it's good if I do like both things at the same time. So just stay tuned, I will be coming up with many videos related to LinkedIn verification. There are people who are facing issue where it is like redirecting, it is taking you in the same redirecting loop. So we'll be solving this issue also. And there are some people who are not at all getting that selfie option, so they are not at all able to like reach to the state of selfie option. So we'll be covering that video also. So just stay tuned and keep an eye on the videos. And once I'll post videos, I'll just share some say notification or say update also related to the video. And I'll share multiple video, 5 to 6 videos on the same topic related to LinkedIn verification. 2 to 3 videos will be in detail, and some other videos will be in like short form, so that you can just like you can just see or say watch those quick videos, and you can solve your issues, whatever issues you are facing. Okay, so yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.